Do you know what it's like when you wish you were someone else who didn't need your help to get by? Do you know what it's like to wanna surrender? I don't wanna feel like this tomorrow. I don't wanna live like this today. Make me feel better. I wanna feel better. Stay with me here now and never surrender.
Hello everyone, this is Kai and I'm back once again today making another theory video about Godzilla and Spinosaurus. So let's go into it. So you see King Ghidorah fighting in the rain. Now can he fight Godzilla off the rain? Can he? How can he fight during the rain? Because he'll get soaked and all wet. But can he actually survive? Let me know in the comments down below if you can. But thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. And I've got one more thing to say. I'm making an ending explain video very soon, so yeah.